Hey everybody, my name is Marina, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this French apple cake. It's completely gluten-free, dairy-free, and low sugar. It's got the crisp exterior and it's buttery soft on the inside. And it's so simple to make, you don't want to miss out. So hit that subscribe button for more delicious gluten-free and sugar-free recipes. For this recipe, you will need some Granny Smith apples, peeled and cut into slices. Not too thick, not too thin, just like this. Then lay the apples out on a plate and throw them in the microwave for about 3 minutes, just until they're soft. Drizzle on some lemon juice and set them aside to cool. Now in a big bowl, combine your gluten-free flour, coconut flour, and sugar. Then add the baking soda and salt. For all the exact measurements, you can check out the description below. Now add the egg and plant-based milk of your choice. Here I'm using almond milk. Mix it all up and then add the coconut oil. Mix it really well until everything is evenly combined. Now scoop out 1 cupful of this batter and set it aside for later. Now add the yolks and stir them into the remaining batter. Now add all the apples and gently fold them into the batter. Pour the batter with the apples into a lined baking pan. Carefully rearrange everything just so the top is smooth and there's no apples sticking out. Now let's get back to the remaining batter. Add in 2 tablespoons of the gluten-free flour and stir it all in. Pour this mixture over the apples and smooth it all out for an even finish. Now we're ready to bake. Place it in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. And now my cake is ready. Look at that! Let's do a taste test. Cake cheers! Thank you so much for watching. Hey, didn't you enjoy this recipe? I know you did. So subscribe to my channel for more delicious and healthy recipes.